houses we live in, cars we drive, streets we drive on, those little shops that we just love to walk through. Even the human body all have one main thing in common with the computer, and that's that they all need to be maintained. Well, here are a few tips on how to do that. I have already gone through and created new folders to place things in, and moved my shortcuts to where I want them. For instance, up in the right-hand corner, I've placed programs I use on a regular basis with a few folders next to them. To the left, I have more shortcuts left out with 4 folders underneath them. This folder, as you can see, I have placed all my shortcuts to the internet for easy access. I even have a junk folder I can place things in so that I can go through them later when I have the time. By doing this, I've cleared up my desktop so that things are organized and out of the way. The next thing I want to do is a disk cleanup. First, go to your Start menu and then to All Programs. Now find your Accessories folder, then your System Tools folder. Now you want to click on the Disk Cleanup. From here, you can decide which part of your computer you want to clean up. Then click OK. If you've never done this or you don't do it on a regular basis, it might take a few minutes to complete. Next, a pop-up menu will display. You can go through and decide what you want the cleanup to get rid of. My preferences are downloaded program files, temporary internet files, the recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, and Windows Update cleanup. Click OK, and then delete files. Once again, this part can take a few moments to complete. Now, we want to clean up a few other things. Go to your Startup menu, and then to your Documents. Here, you can go through and decide if there's anything you want to delete. Now, we want to go to the Startup menu again, then to the computer, and find your C drive. Go through and determine if there's anything here you don't want. Then, go to your program files times 86 and do the same. Remember not to delete anything you are not sure of until you find out what it is, so this way you're not deleting a program your computer needs to run smoothly. Now we want to defragment our computer. This can take a few minutes to a few hours. Go to your Start menu, then to All Programs. Find your Accessories folder, then your System Tools folder, and click on Disk Defragmenter. I have already started an analysis on my C drive and my D drive. Remember, you can cancel at any time. By clicking on the Configure Schedule, you can set your computer to defragment itself by frequency, day, time, and drives. While our computer is defragmenting, we can run an antivirus scan. My preference is Spybot, but you can use whichever antivirus program you choose. What you want to do is run a system scan. and then click Start Scan. Remember to run an update at least once a week for your antivirus program to have a full database of the viruses, bugs, and worms that may be on your computer. Now you'll have a system scan pop-up. You can cancel, but I choose to disable third-party cookies. Another pop-up indicates which profile you're disabling the third-party cookies on. Choose your profile and click OK. Now the scan is complete. I see that everything on the list is checked, and I want to click on the Fix Selected button. I usually run another scan just to make sure that everything is found. And when a pop-up appears asking to clean the temporary files, you can click No, since we already did this earlier with our disk cleanup. The analysis on our defragmenter has been complete, and I've already clicked the Defragment Now button. With the defragment done, I can exit out of the program, and all that's left is to wait for my second virus scan to finish. Then my computer should run even smoother than before. Thank you for watching this instructional video. I hope it helps you to keep a healthy computer.